Hi everybody on this channel, the Night Electricals. We're going to be starting our channel with a discussion on contactor. Night channel is going to be talking about electrical components, electrical connections every time, and we are going to be explaining different gadgets, different electronic components in the industry to people, especially to learners. However, we advise that before you take into implementation any of our training, you make sure there is somebody, a registered personnel, somebody who is trained enough to guide you through electrical connections. Before you do anything that has to do with electrical, you need to be conscious of your life. Thank you. So on this channel, we're going to be talking about contactors. The basic of a contactor and the different type of contactors are going to be discussed in this video. First of all, what is a contactor? A contactor is an electrical device which is used for switching an electrical circuit on or off. It is considered to be a special type of relay. However, the basic difference between a contactor and a relay is that while a contactor is used with higher current carrying capacity, the relay is used for lower current carrying applications and capacity. Contactors can be mounted in the panel, and in some occasions you find them displayed without on a rail mount. Generally, the device has different uses. However, the prominent one in the industry is for the control of electric motor. On the face of a contactor, usually we have the normally open and the normally closed. We have the coil, and as well we have the contacts that allows the inflow of electric current. Usually on the L1, L2, and L3 are the faces of for electrical phases. So the three-phase cable passes through it and comes out T1 from T1, T2, and T3. It only passes electricity to T1 and T2 and T1, T2, and T3 when the coil is energized. However, upon that, the contactors have different components. One of the first components of a contactor is the electromagnetic coil. It is a very important part of a contactor. It is the powerhouse, the driving force of the contactor. We have the enclosure, which is the outside that you can see. Containing therein the contactors are the contacts. The contacts, which is the third part of the contactor, it is the part that does the current carrying capacity. So, how does a contactor operate? To operate a contactor, the three-phase electricity has to pass into L1, L2, and L3, and the contactor needs to be energized first before the electricity passes through T1, T2, and T3. So what you do in this kind of situation, if you want to pass a single phase, in single phase electricity, you can decide to loop it into L1, L2, and from L1 into L2 and L3. And if you've got three phase, you can let it pass through L1, L2, and L3 respectively. And when the contactor is energized through the coil, it passes electricity, it inputs electricity as an output of T1, T2, and T3. And with this view, we're still going to be talking some other time more on contactors. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture on contactor. See you next time.